Hey guys, Ali from ALTA Racks here at 2022 Mountain West Overland Expo. We broke out the Arcylon. We got a couple of new toys and a couple of new pieces on this. Just kind of want to bring it out. Here are these bullets, we call them. They're actually threaded on one end, and this way you can adjust the width of the tires. Really cool. This is not the final design, but it's kind of, we're trying it out this weekend, and it worked really well carrying that electric dirt bike all the way here. So as you already know, if you've been tracking us, this is an articulating arm carrier, double carrier, uses ratcheting cable system that brings it down. You got these bullets, and if you bring it back up, you can see there's these nuts on here, or bolts, my apologies. Those bullets are threaded internals, so you can slide them once you loosen them and get it just the right width. That's what we got right here, pretty much. And this is in a desert sand, OD green, and burnt orange. What I also added for this trip was retractable straps that go to the pegs. So with the two of those right in the center, that seemed to work really well. It was pretty stable all the way down. I had this on with two bikes on the 45er, and the 45er we got set up right now with the table, and then this ramp's been working pretty well. You can kind of adjust it any difference, and if you look at from the front, you got right there on the height, and then with the ramp. So this is the Arcylon. We're building more of these, but most of them are already sold out.